What is up, guys? Today I will show you how to update the Ninebot MAX G2 scooter here. So actually that's pretty simple to do it. Firstly, you connect it to Segway app, go to the settings, you have the device information here and check firmware update. So as you see, I have update for all three. After this, just click update. Then you need to wait until the update will be downloaded. So the download started, so let's wait until it will be over. And actually usually take up to like 5 minutes, so you see it goes one by one, and you should not go far from your scooter, just follow it and stay close. After it's done, you will get all these new features. Okay, the update is coming to the end, so let's wait. Battery, Bluetooth already updated, battery is on the final stage, let's wait. And as you see, it's done. So it's updated, firmware updated, so you'll get this notification. Then it will be restarted, disconnected, then reconnect, go to settings, device information, check the firmware update. And it should be the latest version, so it is up to date. So that's how easily you can update your Ninebot MAX G2.